just wanted to come on and share with you how I got started making hula hoops. So a lot of times I hear that women have difficulties finding the best hula hoop. So I'm like, okay, I've been in this journey for a minute, so let me just start making my own hula hoops, right? And I wanted to make it collapsible. I call it my portable safe space because I literally take it with me everywhere I go. Fun facts about my collapsible hula hoop: you can take it with you on the airplane. Yes, you can actually take it on board for you, place it under your feet or in the overhead bins, and it's nice and secure. But really quick, I just want to show you how it opens. So you take it apart, bring it to your infinity symbol, and you pull it apart, and then you throw it around your waist and hula heel dance. And when you are traveling and you got to collapse it back down, you just bring it back down to your infinity sign and fold it over here, and then you're ready to throw it on your shoulder and ready to go. So I just wanted to share this because a lot of times people aren't aware that I make hula hoops for one, and also they don't know the best hula hoops. So I just wanted to share this with you. And if you would like to get a hula hoop, please reach out to me. I have bundle deals where you can get the hula hoop as well as learn how to some basic hula hoop tricks as well. Actually, 21 different ways of how to use your hula hoop. Yeah, it's 21. So, and it's probably more than that, but I got to do another course for that. So definitely connect with me if you're ready to hula heel dance, and let's get it. Peace.